Hi guys. So today I had an idea. I thought to myself, let's make brownies, right? And it's gonna be a comparison between homemade brownies and store-bought brownies. Now, I'm not gonna tell them which is which, but they're gonna taste. It'll be a taste test. We're gonna see if I can make brownies that are pretty good and from scratch. So that's the plan for today. I'm doing this instead of finishing my chem lab. So hopefully this turns out good. Yeah, wish me luck, wish me luck. I got this cute little flower. Just like a little, I have a bigger one, of course, but I just got this one because it's cute. What else do I need? 2 eggs, vanilla extract, salt, baking powder. First we're gonna warm up the butter. Preheat that to 350. Grease and flour. I'm gonna be using this, so I'm just gonna take the same stick of butter before I melt it down. Victor, I'm making a video today. It'll be homemade brownies versus store-bought brownies. Right?
Okay.
It's melted. It's melted for the most part. Also, guys, just wanted to check in and ask you, what are your 420 plans? I'm just baking brownies and chemistry, so, you know, living my life, my best life. Okay, now what? Oh, cacao. So here we have baking cocoa. Oh, it's a lot. Now everything's together. All that's left to do is mixing. Okay. Don't mean to brag, but the brownie's ready. Okay. So this is what the batter looks like. Wait, don't I have everything? Okay. Yep. Okay. It's done. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for 35 minutes and then we can get started on the store-bought batch. I have some competition here because we have, oh my goodness. These ones have 3 kinds of chocolate chips in them. Okay, we're changing the challenge. We're just gonna see which one tastes better because clearly they're not the exact same brownies here because these ones have chocolate chips and mine don't. All right, now it's time to clean up because the batter's done. It smells so good in here right now. I think I did something good. I'm gonna keep letting it cool. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart more than it already has. I hope it tastes good. Oh my god. It tastes good. I guess I had a little nibble. It's really falling apart, but it tastes good. Okay, so here it is, flipped. I'm gonna flip it again. Now that it is flipped and cracked, but delicious, I can move this batter over there. Hey Siri, set a timer for 45 minutes. We have 2 brownies here. One I made from scratch and one I used a Ghirardelli box. You guys are going to try it and tell me which one you like better. Okay, so here we go. Now, try it.
Eyes open.
In front of you. Close the eyes. You can reach, Victor. You can reach.
Some kind must be a pound cake.
This is definitely the store-bought one.
Oh, store-bought?
This one's more. No, I think this is the one she made. This one has more of a moist taste to it.
It's not. I don't know what it is. This is actually.
It's like has a softer chocolatey taste. I like it.
This is just like brownies to me.
Does it taste like brownie?
It tastes kind of like there's like this like pastry that's like soft.
You can open your eyes, guys. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
I was close.
It's like soft chocolate. It's a softer
Yeah, it's
chocolate
soft
taste.
chocolatey.
It's not as thicker.
Crumbly.
And I think it has more of like a from scratch taste to it. With store-bought, you kind of can taste the intense like sugar, the chocolate, and like the thickness of it.
That's that sugar.
That has sugar? A lot?
Not a lot.
But it has sugar.
Yeah, it's sugar.
Okay.
It's
Next
very
one?
soft.
Wait, is this like fudge brownies? Like the
I
fudge
just
ones
made-
that you get?
She just made brownies.
I made 2 separate brownies. One was from the box and one was homemade.
That's as much as you can say.
Well, at this point, you guys might be able to taste the difference, but I want to know which one you like better.
Okay.
You like the fudge brownies. Do you know the ones you made?
Yep.
Yeah. Are these it? Like the ones?
I just like brownies, so I can't.
Okay, ready, guys?
Those ones-
Here's another one.
I love. Ooh, I like this one's heaviness.
Hot.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's this one.
Your eyes.
It's this
Fudgy.
one. Yo, it's
It's
fudgy.
fudgy.
This is the box
This is
one.
the one that's what I'm talking about.
Mhm.
That's what I'm talking about. This is what
Yep.
you made.
This one.
I didn't make that!
You made it?
No!
Oh, store bought.
I made this one.
Hmm.
I made these ones.
Mm.
See the difference in color?
So, this is my question. Yours is the one you go to when you like more of a softer taste to it that's not as intense chocolatey.
Uh-huh.
I like the ones that you should make.
Intensity. I feel those aren't hurt. I'm pretty proud of these. They're
I'm saying,
edible.
I think good. I think this is the one you go to. You're not big chocolate, fudgy.
I know.
You want some of a
Praise
softer, more healthier brownie. This is where you go to when you want like that intensive chocolate fudge and like heaviness. Like this is one with like
Tastes like
mommy
cookie?
would eat.
More cookie.
Yeah, cookie. That's it. I was like, it tastes like something.
Yeah, it tastes like something. It tastes like a
It
cookie.
tastes like cookie.
There's 3
This
different
is really
chocolate
good.
chips in here. I think they might have used 2 eggs in this.
It was heavy. This one was hot too. I'm like, this was
It's been still hot, yeah. I'm gonna try to make it as fudgy as I can next time.
But I like this one. It's nice cookie.
I'm proud of this because it's edible. The first time I made brownies, they
They're
were
like
a bit
9?
more because I had the
Oh.
I'm pretty sure I put baking soda, so it was a bit like bitter. Okay, thanks for sharing.
These are really good.
I will see you guys in the next video.
Talking with our eyes.
Because I forgot to tell you guys that too. I was like, oh my god, wait, their eyes are closed.
It's no sugar for the day, right here.
I know.
This is no sugar for
I
the
was
day.
gonna eat cookies, but I can't eat cookies.